Hello everyone, this is Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, today I came to my field to see that we have planted a cucumber, that these plants have been grown so much. So I thought, why don't I should go to the field to practice myself, and I will see you that how it looks. And these are so beautiful, and do you know there is nothing beautiful more than nature. So I will see you. Let's see. You can see that these plants have been grown, and they are growing day by day. And you can see, guys, we have planted in a drip system way, that it helps us to save the labor charges as well as time, because in drip system we can grow the things, grow the vegetables very easily. And so you can see that they everywhere the plants has been grown, and they are growing day by day. Guys, this is the day of second that I'm in the journey of learning English and improving myself in English, because one day I want to become a best English fluent speaker. Please help me in this journey, and please be the part of my journey. To how can you be the part of my journey? There is a simple way that you can be the part of my journey. It is, you can watch my videos full, as well as you can motivate me. If you comment, or you can just tell me that where I make mistakes, that it will be so helpful, because if you comment or like my video, this will build my confidence. As well as if you just comment my mistakes too, then it will be so helpful. Why? Because in next video I will not make that type of mistake that I do, so I can improve myself better than previous video. So please help me and share my videos with your friends also. And please, you also try to learn English or speak English, whatever you know, just try to speak. If once you will just start to speak, you will fall in love in English to learn or to speak. Your mouth will not stop you to speak. So please help me and please support. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.